Namaste students. I am Dr. Komal Rathod, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science. So, students, in this session, we will discuss about Samanya Chikitsa Siddhant or general principle of treatment in children according to Ayurveda. So, first of all, students, we have to understand what is the Balyavastha related Chikitsa Siddhant. So, let's get started. First of all, Chikitsa Siddhant in Balyavastha related on Upkram, nature of Aushadhi, means selection of drug. Then Aushad Matra. All of 3 points, when we correlate with Balyavastha, then we make Samanya Chikitsa Siddhant and we treat the children. So first is Upkrama. What is Upkrama? So according to Kashyap Samhita, Balyasya Hridaya Aushadam Anyat Pramanam Anya Upkramo Anyacha Vishesha, means the nature of medicine should be palatable to the child. Balasya Hridaya Aushadam Anyatah. Nature of medicine is palatable of the to the child. Does of the medicine and management protocol are different from adults. Means praman manasya upkramam anyacha vishesha. The next is na tvavev balasya vishoshanam hitam na ati sanshodhanam rakt mokshane snigdhe sushite madhure dahi bhis tatra upcharo adhanna lep sechane, means the emaciation medicine or excessive purifying measures and bloodletting is not beneficial in Balyavastha. Na tvavev balasya vishoshen hitam na ev ati sanshodhane rakt mokshane. Okay, then snigdhe sushite madhure dahi bhi statra upcharo langhane uplabdhe upsechane, means they should be treated with oral medication, local application and irrigation with drug. Those are snigdh, sheath, madhur and not producing burning sensation. ठीक है? Now, उन द्वादश वर्षाणां न एकांत अवचार्येत. उन द्वादश वर्षाणां न एकांतं न अवचार्येत. Avcharitam ekante ahnani cha aushadha, means in children of less than 12 year of age, continuous use of medicine should be avoided. Then yatha dosham, yatha ragam, yatha udra ekam, yatha ashayam vibhajya desh kaladi statra yojam vishagjitam. त एव दोषा दुष्यश्च ज्वराध्य व्याध्यश्च यत् अतस्तदेव भेषजम मात्रात्वस्य कनीयसी, means treatment of disease should be done with appropriate dosha. Roga and udrek. Udrek means prominated dosha. So dosha, roga and udrek after determining the nature of habitat and kal. So yatha dosham, yatha rogam, yatha udrek, yatha ashayam vibhajya desh kaladis tatra yojam vishagjitam. The dosh, dusha and roga such as fever etc. and method treatments are same in both adult and children, whereas the dose is in the minimum quantity for children. So ta ev dosha dusha jwaradhya vyadhisyata atastadev bhishjam matra twasya kaniyasi. Kaniyasi means minimum quantity for children. Now, basti sadhya vireken marshen pratimarshen. Basti should be given for children in diseases which required virechan therapy for their cure. Pratimarsh Pratimers should be given in the disease which required Merz-Nussia therapy. युज्यात विरेचन आदिस्तस्तु धात्र्या तथा यथोदीनाम. Means virechan and other therapy indicated in disease should be administered only to the mother. Yujyat virechanadi tastu dhatrya ev yathoditanan. Then nivrati vamanadi nam mridutvam partantratam vak cheshtayor asamarthyam viksham baleshu shastrvit भीषजम च अल्पमात्रम तु यथाव्याधि प्रयोज्येत. अर्थात women etc. are avoided in children looking to their delicacy, dependency and incapability in respect to speech. The physician should administration the drug in smaller quantity according to their disease. Now, nature of Aushadhi means selection of drug. First topic is Upkram, then second is nature of Aushadhi. So, what is the nature of Aushadhi? Madhurani, Kashayani, Shirvanti, Mraduni cha Prayogyet, Vishag, Bale, Matiman, Pramadat. Means the nature of medicine should be Madhurani, Kashayani, Shirvanti, Mraduni cha. Means sweet, astringent and milk and in Mradu Guna. अत्यर्थम स्निग्ध उष्ण अम्लम कटु विपाकी च गुरु च औषध अन्नपानम एतद बालेषु गर्हितम. Means excessive, unctuous, dry, hot, sour, pungent in vipak and heavy foods and drug are contraindicated for children. So not use atyartham snigdha ruksha ushna amlam Katu Vipaki cha. Now third is Aushadhi Matra. So what is Aushadh Matra? We have to use in children. It is very important to know. So Aushadhi Matra is Matra Moolam Chikitsitam. Means the management is depend upon quantity of the medicine. Matra means quantity of the medicine. So Matra hi Deha Agnivaya Pradhanam. Means the dose of the medicines depend upon the body constitution, digestive power and age of the children. Age of the children is very important. Matra hi Deha Agni Vaya Pradhanam. Vidang Fal Matra to Jat Matrasya Dehina Bhishajam Madhu Sarpibhyam Matiman Anukalpayet Vardhamanasya tu Shirsho Masa Vivardiyet Yatha Amlak Matra tu Param Vidvanat Vardiyet. Kashyap Sutristan Lehadhyay. Means to the newborn child, the drug should be prescribed in quantity equal to the fruit of vidang with madhu and krit. To the growing child, it should be increased every month gradually. The Vaidya should not increase it more than the quantity of an amlak fruit. So, it is very important shloka. Vidang fal matrasya to jat matrasya dehinam bheshajam madhu sarpibhyam matiman anukalpiyet vardhamanasya tu shishu mase vivardiyet yatha amlak matram tu param vidvan vardiyet. So now continuously Kashyap has mentioned the rule of doses as described below. Jat matra till masan. Age is masan since 1 month. Newborn periods to 1 month. Aushadh matra is vidang fal matra. And the type of medium is honey and krat. Further ongoing month, increase 1 vidang. Increase only 1 month. Increasing only 1 vidang per month. And the medium is honey and krat. But the increase by a physician should not be excess than the fruit of amlaka. In Kashyap Samhita, A specific dose of Ghrat is also mentioned for the children. So Jat Matra is Kolasti Samhita, and 5 to 10 days Jat Matra, Ghrit Matra given is Kol Asti Samhita, and 5 to 10 days little increase in previous dose. Then 20 days after Kolard Samhita, 30 days Kol Matra. 2 months is little increase in the previous dose. And the third month, Dvikol Matra means at the third month, 2 kol quantity given Ghrit. And 4 month is Shushka Amlak Matra. 5 to 6 months is Ardha Amlak Matra. And 7 to 8 month, little increase in previous dose. So here dose of medicine, here is medicine is told to be taken as 1/4 of the Sne Matra, which should be given after mixed with Ghrita. After completion of 8th month, child is given medicine mixed with water after dissolving in water. So dose according to type of medicine, according to Kashyap Samhita, types of medicine is Deepaniya Churn Matra is Agra Palva Ungli Grahya Matra, means up to 1 phalanges of finger. And Jeevaniya Churn Matra is double to Deepaniya Churn. So Deepaniya Churn Matra is Agra Parva Anguli Grahya Matra. It is very important and it has to be remembered. Deepaniya Churn means Agra. Deepaniya Churn's quantity is Agra. Agra Parva Angulya Grahya Matra. And Jeevaniya Churn Matra is double to Deepaniya Churn. And Sanshamniya Churn Matra is double to Deepaniya Churn. And Vaman Virechan is half to Deepaniya Churn. So it is very important to understand doses of types of medicine: Deepaniya, Jeevaniya, Sanchamniya, and Vaman Virechaniya Churn. Next is in Kashyap Samhita, a specific dose of Kashay is also mentioned for the children. First is Vat Pitt Kaf Haram, Jeevaniya, Sanchamniya, and Vaman Virechaniya Kashay. So Vat Pitta Kaf Haram is 2 Prasut. 2 Prasut Matra Kashay given in Vatpit Kaf Haram diseases. And Jeevaniya and Sanshamniya Kashay is 4 Prasat in Matra. And Vaman Virechan is 3 Prasat Matra. So Kalk, specific dose of Kalp in mentioned for children according to Acharya Kashyap is in Kashyap Samhita, a specific dose of Kalpa is mentioned for the children is that Deepaniya Kalpa Matra is 1 Karsha, Jeevaniya or Sanchamniya Matra is 2 Karsha, Vaman Virechan Matra is half Karsha. So dose schedule of Acharya Shushruta. Acharya Shushruta describe age, Aushad Matra and types of Aushad. So according to age, Shirad, Shirannad or Annad. So Shirad Matra is Parvagrahya Samhita means amount which comes between 2 fingers. Parvad Grahya means amount which come into 2 finger or 1 pinch. That is Parvad Grahya. 2 pinch means 2 finger, 1 pinch. And Shirannath Kol Asti Samhita means amount similar to seed of kol fruits. Then Annad is Kol Samhita, amount similar to kol fruits. This is for Kalka. And dose schedule for Acharya Sharangdhar said for Churan, Kalk and Avlay Matra. So the age is 1 month, Aushad Matra is 1 Ratti and 1 Ratti is 125 mg. And type of Aushad is Lehan with medium of honey, milk, Ghrat or Sharkara. So 1 month, 1 ratti. Till up to 1 year, increases 1 ratti per month. And medium is lehan with medium of honey, milk, ghat and sharkara. And after 1 year up to 16 year, increases 5 ratti per year. So that is the dose scheduled by Acharya Shanandhar. And now in modern science, Young formula and Dilling formula is given by different scientists. So Young formula is for dose decide. Young formula is children dose equals to adult dose into age upon age plus 12. Adult dose into age upon age plus 12. It is Young formula. And Dilling formula is child dose equal to adult dose into age divided by 20. So it is very important to understand how to children dose of medicine. So that's all about this session. Hope you understand what is the औषध मात्रा निर्धारण or what is the सामान्य चिकित्सा सिद्धांत to the balyavastha. So I hope you like that session, and if you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me in further session. I will definitely resolve that your doubts. So that's all from this session. Hope you like that session. Thank you so much.